Hi, this is Dave with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to show you a really cool Jeep that this customer's been working on for a while. And he kind of did what a lot of guys do. He bought the lower trim model, but he's putting the stuff he wants on there because it's more budget friendly to do it that way rather than buy the top of the line and then still throw parts on top of it. So stand back, look at the Jeep. You can see it's not a stock Jeep. First thing he did was there's a 3.5-inch rough country suspension underneath here. It's a small lift, but this one also relocates the trailing arms and stuff like that. New springs, brand new N3 shocks, which is their newest shock, which is a really nice shock. But just all in all, a really nice system. Had a new track bar from the front, and then it aligned really nice. It drives down the road really nice. So now that you got the lift, he wanted the Fuel Assault wheels, and he went with the Federal Explorer RT tires. Now these almost look like a mud tire, but these are considered a hybrid, and these do have a warranty on them, and I believe that warranty is 45,000 miles, which is a really good warranty. These are a pretty new tire to the market. There's only limited sizes. I think there's only like 5 sizes available for these tires, but even driving down the road, when I road tested this, these do not make a lot of noise like a traditional mud tire. They ride real nice, they track real nice, and with the Fuel Assaults, they're a little different design of a wheel. They have this little bit that sticks out further in. It just, for this Jeep, it sets it off. It was a good choice. What else did this guy do? Well, now that he did all that, he had the factory steps on here. It was very hard to get in and out for a normal sized person. Maybe if you were Gigantor, it would be easy. So he went with these N-fab steps. The nice thing with the N-fab steps is they come out a little bit more than the factory, but they also drop down. And these bolted right in to his factory location. They're a no drill install, but they just look nice. They help accentuate everything on this Jeep. They match everything. Even with them being a powder coat finish and the wheels are gloss black, you really can't tell because the paint's gloss black and you have the flat plastic. But all in all, it's just a real nice Jeep. He's doing it the way that most of you guys are going to be doing it. I'm going to get the Jeep that I can afford and as I can do parts and stuff. So anything you see on this Jeep, we've done all this here. We can get from you. There will be links on the website or on the bottom of the video to our website where you can purchase all this. If you want us to do the install for it, you can come into the store, talk to me or Chris. We can get the install done for you. We have an agreement with a shop that does our alignments. They can do truck alignments perfectly. So when you get your truck back, it's going to go down the road. The steering wheel is going to be straight. And that's a really hard thing. Not every shop knows how to do an alignment on a vehicle like this. We take care of that for you. They've done alignments for us and none of the customers have complained. It's just a really well thought out Jeep. Give us a like on this video. That helps us a lot. As you know, we're working for 1,000 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, Chris mentioned it in a video yesterday on the Alpha Rex headlights. Go watch that video. Those Alpha Rex headlights are amazing. But we're going to throw a party once we get to 1,000 subscribers here at our showroom in Florida. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Help us get to that 1,000. Then you can come have a party. There's going to be a bunch of stuff. We'll figure it out. But all in all, if you like this, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, call us at the store, talk to me or Chris. We can get you set up and get your Jeep looking where this guy's like, I get so many compliments a day. And that's what you want when you own one of these. You want those compliments every day. So we can do that for you. Just give us a call, come and see us. Hope you have a nice day. Thanks.